Yeah, so my country people, I throw a salute to Arsenal 2 and Tottenham Hotspur 2. Oga Nelson, the North London Derby match will be like say for Obodo UK, a rival match, but for Nigeria, it will not be really rival match because we know say Tottenham Hotspur no follow. But for this match, what do you get to talk about your boys' performance for this game?
My boys' performance for this game, and not to try. Because it can't be like say if Odegaard not they perform for team, all of them they hide. Because if you look, the defense line they okay, sha. But for the up front, like the last match they play, no agility today at all. Because when I see the game right from the very minute, though they tried the first 10 minutes, but at the end of the day, as far as the team is built around Odegaard, not they played well today. The team just no deadly pass, everything just spoiled. Then Arteta said, "Go even make everything worse." Because normally, someone like Jorginho, now when you dey win like 3-0, 4-0, it's about bring Jorginho come inside. For a competition, a match that is very strong like this, when we need to win, knowing fully well, say Man City now don't play 100%. They gamble with the match. I don't know whether Arteta said they play Mary Bet or they play Bet Niger. Maybe they already make an up say he won't draw this match today because with the Declan Rice, where they like that, safe, where in legs, they try. He better pass Jorginho where they inform. So I don't know what be the metrics or what he think when he go bring in Jorginho. Finally, Shine does see him. Because Jorginho normally, if not be one thing, there's about drive back more the clubs and maybe find another place where go sit down.
So you talk about the substitution now, Jorginho. Make I ask you about another player where be like say the substitute enter inside this game. Kai Havertz, how you see him performance for this second half?
Wow. Whenever I would tell Jorginho over the Kai Havertz not supposed to come in. Therefore, leave Gabriel Jesus there. Gabriel Jesus not good, say better pass Kai Havertz. Then if you come out that Kai Havertz, bring in that Nelson. Come out that in Ketia, bring in what they call him? Smith Rowe. At least the small 10 minutes where Smith Rowe enter. About 4 minutes, we see the performance of the boy. Not that he's that good, but he tried. But the changes what Arteta did today, for me, if I go rate Arteta as 0/100, 0%, because none of them can create any impact. Jorginho come kill the game. Kai Havertz we say we don't even know what they play, which wing they play for the feet safe. So, but for me today, I reverse because Asewenga, for me, Arteta not kill the game. Sorry for calling Asewenga.
So I want to ask you about David Raya. How you see him performance for this match?
David Raya, normally people they say good though. Brentford not be team when I follow last season. I don't know that guy performance like that because for me the guy never get competition where be say a match where be say they try like they not try Ramsdale. For me, I know say if not Ramsdale, maybe they for still score and two. David Raya, that Raya is good, he dey try. But at least make Arteta self may not bring Spanish matter into this team. Make it dey sub the two of them. Because I never see error where Ramsdale do we make you the bench Ramsdale now. All the time where the guy they keep for us, we they see him they go, the guy they try. They play the game well. So but Raya is okay. We'll see they look at him.
So Arsenal next game now against Brentford for Carabao Cup. How you dey see that game and what do you expect the team to do differently?
If Arteta do like this, they go still lose. They go lose. If he continue this form, this selection when he they do now, we'll not get it in one play. Because Brentford too, not be small team. For the EPL too, they try. For me, as I did like this, that Carabao Cup, it will not be cup under the reason, but any Asha, they can still go and play better and try their best.
Scoreline prediction for the game.
For which match?
That game. Arsenal against Brentford.
Arsenal, we're going to win them. Maybe 2-0 or 2-1. It's okay.
So I want to ask you about some of the things when some people want to talk concerning this match. You think, say, injuries affect Arsenal performance for this match? Because some key players missed this game. No Thomas Partey, no Trossard, Declan Rice still come up for the game. you think say injury affect Arsenal for this game today?
Yes, normally injury affect Arsenal. Because as Declan Rice play for first half, and Timber we know the two they see impact. We know the two they see the effect. Because Zinchenko is very good. They help the defense, they play the theory. No error from his side today. But Partey shows say injury they kill the team. Because normally, if Partey dey, Jorginho not get it, they cut inside the field. As I just say and say, Declan Rice not to perform for first half. Now Partey for cup play that game. And that kind of error where Jorginho do for not happen. The midfield for strong. You know, as they come out Declan Rice, we even get injury. Couple of Arsenal not get midfield again. Plus the Jorginho self, let's say Arsenal not get midfield. So then another thing again, that Trossard will get injury for the 10 minutes before this match. Now another, though Martinelli self still do another injury. But we foresee they manage the Trossard because that time Gabriel Jesus for play 9. Trossard for play the left wing. Nketiah for not the defeat because Nketiah now useless player today. They not even see anything where he do safe. He just they run, not get anything for defeat. So injury play a major role in our 2-2 draw today. Seriously.
So I want to ask you about the title race. Now you talk about say Man City don't get 100%. With the way what you see from Arsenal 6 games into the season, you think say Arsenal will follow Man City drag the way they drag last season?
Only God though. Because Man City na team where we say they're ready to give you 10-0. Not by Arsenal we go score 1-0 because they go play. Think you say you don't win match 26 minutes. A Man City score you 1-0 26 minutes, they expect like 3 more, maybe 4. Because they're not going to go sit back, say they won't defend or they won't play you. If you look at Guardiola, despite the fact that Arteta learned from Guardiola, but you know they follow the man step, you know they read game. Now that kind of thing as Wenger come to towards the end of his season when he come out. Whether na fear to remove player, whether they follow that they share their money, I don't understand because men looking at the game, you they see and say Nketiah not did that game. It's about to come out and take Nketiah since bring Nelson, they made Gabriel Jesus go 9. At least we go see and the small time when Nelson enter self. He play better ball now. Forget saying a bench player. So I say, coach, you say you go read your team. We don't say no if you come out Odegaard. Because Odegaard are the captain, number 1. 2, he get where the game day. Even the Declan Rice not perform. If Declan Rice perform, you see the best of Odegaard. They got bring Jorginho down worst. So I know they blame Odegaard. But that in Nketiah where they say they play 9, not like they play 9. They don't even know which wing he did. A big error. So if our coach make it a try, make they study the team. The defense line we are okay. Error not there. But that midfield, when your key player don't come out, Ali, you should have a player that you know, even if it's not better, like the first one, make it see the try, not be Jorginho. If I be the coach self, I will not even play Jorginho. I for even carry the Zinchenko, make go play that 4. The man they play 3-man defense. Then bring it the next, make it a support. He better pass this Jorginho. They trap ball, they give you ball, you go trap ball like 3 times before you go one pass ball. So I'm not really too happy, Sha, but any which way.
All right, now, God, Nelson, thank you for your time.